Dear children, last week we learnt about matter and materials. We learned three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. Then we learned about materials. Then we learned about fibers. There are two kinds of fibers: natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers is from plants and animals. Synthetic fibers is human-made fibers. Then we learned what is ginning, spinning, knitting, and weaving. Also, we learned the uses of cotton, jute, coir, and synthetic fibers. How many times we eat every day? We eat three times every day, that is, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. What do you eat for breakfast? We eat idli, dosa, chapati, pongal for breakfast. These are made by grains like rice, dal, wheat, etc. So today we are going to learn about grains. What is grain? Grain is a small, hard, dry seed. Grain is a small, hard, dry seed. How is grain produced? Each grain is produced by a husk, and the husk encloses the seed. How many types of grain crops are there? There are two main types of commercial grain crops are there. They are cereals and legumes. What are whole grains? Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley, and millets are some of the whole grains. Next, we learn about wheat. Wheat is the most important crop cultivated in the world. Why is whole wheat important? Whole wheat is important because it is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. What are the wheat products? Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germ, and cracked wheat. Next, we learn about maize. What is the main food in tropical and subtropical countries? In many tropical and subtropical countries like Mexico and America, maize is the main food that people eat. Maize is also known as corn. What is the use of maize? Maize is also made into oil for cooking. Yellow or colored corn may promote eye health. It is also a rich source of many vitamins and minerals. Corn syrup is used as a sweetener instead of sugar in many products. What are the important products? Maize products are sweet corn, breakfast, cereal, tortilla chips, cocoa, and maize oil. Next, we learn about rice. What is rice? Rice is a type of grass. Rice is a type of grass. Rice is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Large parts of the world's human population, especially people in Asia, have this as their main food. 90% of the world's rice production is in Asia. What does white rice contains? White rice contains few essential nutrients. What does brown rice contains? Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the fibrous bran. Brown rice is usually considered much healthier than white rice. What are the food items made from rice? Rice idli, idiyappam, and rice aval are the food items made from rice. Next, we learn about millets. What are millets? Millets are a group of small seeded grasses. Millets are widely grown around the world as cereal crops for fodder and human food, which helps in weight loss. Millets helps in weight loss. It is rich in fiber. Name some of the millet products. Some of the millet products are sorghum, foxtail millet, finger millet, pearl millet, barnyard millet, kodo millet, and little millet. Next, we learn about household goods. What are household goods? Household goods are the products that we use in our house. The goods that are found in a house permanently are called household goods. Household goods are furniture, kitchenware, clothes, towels, beddings, boots, and electronic goods like fridge, washing machine, etc. What are the household goods used in the olden days? The household goods used in the olden days are radio, wall clock, stove, and gramophone. What are the household goods used in the modern days? The household goods used in the modern days are microwave, fridge, washing machine, and induction stove. Next, we learn about sinking and floating. You could have seen that some objects float in water while others sink. Whether an object floats or sinks is determined by its density. When an object is immersed in a liquid, the liquid exerts an upward force on the object. It is known as upthrust. What happens if you put a coin and an empty plastic bottle in water? The weight of the coin is greater than the upthrust and so the coin sinks, but it is less on the empty plastic bottle and so it floats. Do you know a fish can control the upthrust on its body so it can float and go beneath the surface of the water? Now let's see another experiment to show sinking and floating objects. Children, now I am going to do an experiment. Take a glass of water, take a coin and drop the coin inside it. What do you observe? The coin gets sunk due to high density. Take a bowl of water. Now drop the plastic bottle inside it. The plastic bottle floats due to less density. Thus, we have proved sinking and floating happens due to density. Next, we learn about solubility of solids in water. Some substances completely dissolve in water, like salt, sugar. We say that these substances are soluble in water. Other substances do not dissolve in water, even after we stir for a long time, like sand, sawdust. These substances are insoluble in water. Now let's see solubility experiment. Take a glass of water and put some salt inside it and stir it. What do you observe? The salt completely dissolves in water. Take another glass of water and put some sand inside it. And stir it. What do you observe? The sand does not dissolve in water. Now let's learn about mixing. Certain liquids are heavier than other liquids. When you attempt to mix liquids which have different densities, they separate when you stop mixing them. The heavier liquid deposits at the bottom and the lighter liquid floats on the top. Now we are going to see mixing experiment. Take a glass of water and add lemon juice. Stir it. What do you observe? Lemon juice mixes with water. Take another glass of water and pour coconut oil inside it. And stir it. Coconut oil does not mix with water and it floats on the surface of the water. Now let's learn the spelling words. Molecules. M-O-L-E-C-U-L-E-S. Molecules. M-O-L-E-C-U-L-E-S. Molecules. Occupies. O-C-C-U-P-I-E-S. Occupies. O-C-C-U-P-I-E-S. Occupies. Materials. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S. Materials. M-A-T-E-R-I-A-L-S. Materials. Ginning. G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Ginning. G-I-N-N-I-N-G. Ginning. Spinning. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. S-P-I-N-N-I-N-G. Spinning. Petroleum. P-E-T-R-O-L-E-U-M. Petroleum. P-E-T-R-O-L-E-U-M. Petroleum. Densities. D-E-N-S-I-T-I-E-S. Densities. D-E-N-S-I-T-I-E-S. Densities. Millets. M-I-L-L-E-T-S. Millets. M-I-L-L-E-T-S. Millets. Nylon. N-Y-L-O-N. Nylon. N-Y-L-O-N. Nylon. Shape. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. S-H-A-P-E. Shape. Homework. Write the spelling words 2 times and send it to my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children.